Okay, folks, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. The RTX 5090 is here, and it's not just any upgrade. This GPU promises to redefine the limits of graphics power and performance, taking gaming and graphics processing to the next level. But is this power really worth the hefty price tag? Is it the king of all GPUs, or just a step up from its predecessor? In today's video, we'll dive into every aspect of the RTX 5090, from its processing power, to its ray tracing capabilities, to its monstrous power consumption, and finally, answer the question: should you upgrade to this beast of a machine? Design and outstanding features. If you thought previous GPUs were big enough, the RTX 5090 will surprise you. With a design that takes up 3 PCIe slots and 2 large fans, this card not only provides optimal cooling but also shows off its superior power right from the outside. NVIDIA has fine-tuned the RTX 5090 to operate cool and durable, no matter how much gaming or graphics processing you do. Equipped with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.0, along with PCIe Gen 5 slots, the RTX 5090 is ready for 8K gaming and multi-display, meeting the needs of gamers and creators alike. It truly is a new standard in connectivity. And with its glowing RGB logo, the RTX 5090 is not only powerful but also a statement of class. Beautiful and captivating. This card deserves to be the centerpiece of any build. But does the performance live up to the hype? Let's find out. Here's the part everyone's been waiting for: the RTX 5090. Powered by the latest generation Ada Lovelace GPU with 24,000 CUDA cores, this card outperforms the RTX 4090 by nearly double the performance. The RTX 5090 isn't just an upgrade, it's a huge leap forward in graphics performance. In most games at ultra settings with ray tracing maxed out, the RTX 5090 averaged over 120 frames per second at 4K resolution, a number the RTX 4090 couldn't reach. Even at 8K, the RTX 5090 maintained over 60 frames per second, something very few other GPUs could achieve. What about ray tracing? The RTX 5090 really takes it to the next level, processing lighting and shadows in detail, creating images that are more realistic than ever. Along with that, DLSS 4.0 increases performance by up to 50% while maintaining sharp image quality, a perfect combination for a smooth gaming experience. With all that power, the RTX 5090 also requires a lot of power. The card has a power consumption of up to 600 W, which is higher than the RTX 4090 and many previous generation GPUs. So if you want to get the most out of it, a power supply of at least 1000 W is required. And if your system also has a powerful CPU and other devices, a 200 W PSU is safer. The RTX 5090 is clearly a top-notch GPU, but it also requires you to prepare a system that is powerful enough to keep up. If you are willing to invest in power and cooling, the RTX 5090 will not disappoint you in terms of power. So the final question is the RTX 5090 worth the investment? With its high price and powerful system requirements, not everyone needs the power of this card. But if you are a gamer who is passionate about peak performance, or a content creator who wants to handle complex graphics or 8K video, the RTX 5090 is definitely a worthy investment. Not only does it offer great ray tracing capabilities, but it also achieves smooth frame rates thanks to DLSS 4.0, which is truly a step forward for the future of gaming. However, the high power consumption and massive size may be an obstacle for some users. If you only play games at 4K resolution or lower, the RTX 4080 or 4090 will be more reasonable and affordable options. But if you want to experience the maximum power and are ready to conquer all limits, the RTX 5090 will not disappoint you. What do you think about the RTX 5090? Leave your thoughts in the comments, like, and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.